Hey everyone, today we're talking about something every driver should consider, dash cams. Whether you're worried about accidents, road incidents, or just want to record your trips in high-quality video, having a reliable dash cam is essential. In this video, we're looking at the top 10 best dash cams front and rear for 2025. I'll cover their features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is perfect for your car. We have everything from premium 4K options with advanced night vision to budget-friendly models that still deliver excellent performance. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 70mm 4K Dashcam Front and Rear A800S. The 70mm A800S is a true powerhouse. The 4K StarVis sensor ensures sharp footage even in low light. Night driving is no problem thanks to its super night vision. The ADAS feature gives lane departure and collision alerts, making it more than just a recording device. It's like having a co-pilot. Setup is quick and easy, the 3-inch IPS screen is clear and responsive, and connecting via Wi-Fi lets you transfer videos instantly to your phone. Parking mode works seamlessly, so your car is protected even when unattended. 4K front and rear recording with StarVis sensor. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, Super Night Vision, and ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System, 3-inch IPS screen, 24H parking mode, time-lapse, loop recording, supports up to 256 GB memory card. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, reliable night vision, advanced driver alerts, supports up to 256 GB cards. Cons: screen could be slightly larger, slightly higher price compared to basic models. Number 2. Pelsee P1 Pro Dashcam. The Pelsee P1 Pro is perfect for those who want crisp, full-color night footage. Voice control lets you operate it hands-free, ideal for busy drivers. Dual 4K recording captures both front and rear views in stunning detail. The 3.39-inch screen is large enough for easy viewing, and GPS logging ensures your routes are recorded accurately. This is one of the few dash cams that combines premium video quality with convenient usability. StarVis 2 sensor, 4K dual dash camera, full-color night vision, HDR, WDR, ADAS, GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control. 24H parking mode, 3.39-inch screen, 64 GB card included. Pros: full-color night vision, voice control for hands-free operation, dual 4K recording, ADAS for safety. Cons: slightly bulky design. 64 GB card can fill up quickly. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dashcam. If you want affordable yet solid performance, the REDTIGER F7N is a great choice. The front camera shoots in 4K, while the rear records in 1080p. Wide-angle lens captures more of the road, and GPS keeps track of every trip. Night vision works decently, though not as advanced as StarVis sensors. Its compact design blends well with most cars, and Wi-Fi makes video transfers simple. Front 4K plus rear 1080p. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 3.18-inch display, 170-degree wide-angle lens. Pros: budget-friendly 4K dashcam, wide-angle lens, GPS tracking included, compact design. Cons: rear camera only 1080p, night vision isn't premium. Number 4. Botslab 4K Dashcam. Botslab offers a feature-packed dashcam with excellent night vision and ultra-wide recording. The Sony IMX415 sensor captures crisp images, and ADAS alerts improve safety. It comes with a free 64 GB SD card, which is great for immediate use. Its interface is intuitive, though setup might take a few minutes for beginners. Ideal for those who want high-quality footage plus advanced safety features. 170-degree ultra-wide lens, 4K recording, ADAS, night vision, 24/7 parking mode, Sony IMX415 sensor, WDR, built-in GPS and 5G 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, free 64 GB SD card. Pros: excellent 4K night vision, ultra-wide recording, advanced safety features, Free SD card included. Cons: setup may be tricky for first-time users. Screen is small. Number 5. 3K 4-channel dashcam. The 3K 4-channel dashcam is unique because it covers front, rear, and inside your car, giving full 360-degree coverage. The touchscreen makes navigation easy, and parking mode monitors your car all day. Voice control ensures a hands-free experience. With the free 128GB card, you have plenty of storage for continuous recording. A perfect pick for Uber or taxi drivers. 560-degree all-sides view, front and rear inside cameras, 3.18-inch touchscreen, 24/7 parking mode, built-in GPS, 5.8G Wi-Fi, night vision, voice control. Free 128GB card. Pros: 360-degree coverage including inside the car, voice control and touchscreen, large storage included, night vision functional. Cons: slightly larger than other dash cams, more expensive due to multiple cameras. Number 6. Viofo A229 Plus dashcam, front and rear. The Viofo A229 Plus is a high-performance dashcam for serious drivers. Both front and rear cameras record in 1440p HDR, delivering sharp and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Voice control makes hands-free operation easy, and the ultra-precise GPS logs your routes accurately. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smooth video transfer to your smartphone, and supporting up to 512GB storage means you can record for weeks without worry. This is a top pick if you want premium features and long-term reliability. Dual Starvis 2 sensors, 2-channel HDR, 1440p plus 1440p, voice control and 5 GHz. Ultra-precise GPS tracking, supports up to 512GB memory. Pros: dual 1440p HDR cameras for clear footage. Voice control for hands-free operation, ultra-precise GPS logging, supports massive 512GB memory. Cons: maybe slightly more expensive than basic models. Number 7. REDTIGER Dashcam Front Rear F7P. The REDTIGER F7P is a reliable and budget-friendly dashcam. The front camera captures 4K video while the rear records in 2.5K, both providing solid quality for everyday driving. Its wide-angle lens ensures you capture the full road, and WDR technology improves video clarity in varying light conditions. The 3.16-inch IPS screen is intuitive, and night vision performs well even on dark streets. A great choice if you want quality recording without breaking the bank. Front 4K/rear 2.5K Full HD recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, 170-degree wide-angle lens, WDR, 24H parking mode, 32GB card included. Pros: 4K front recording, 2.5K rear, wide-angle lens for full coverage, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, night vision works well. Cons: it isn't full 4K dual recording. Number 8. COOAU D30S 4K Dashcam. The COOAU D30S is designed for drivers who want full coverage inside and outside the car. Front 4K and inside 2.5K/1080p cameras capture detailed footage, while IR LEDs improve night vision, especially inside the car for rideshare drivers. Supercapacitor technology ensures reliable operation even in extreme heat, and GPS logs your routes precisely. The G-sensor automatically saves videos during sudden events, making it a robust and professional-grade dashcam. Front 4K plus inside dual 2.5K/1080p cameras, infrared night vision with 4 IR LEDs, supercapacitor for durability, G-sensor, loop recording, parking mode, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Pros: full coverage with front plus inside cameras, infrared night vision for inside and outside, supercapacitor increases durability, GPS and G-sensor included. Cons: maybe use more power due to multiple cameras. Number 9. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam.
The Vantrue N5S is perfect for those who want complete coverage of their car. It has 4 cameras covering front, rear, and inside the vehicle. StarVis 2 sensors provide excellent low-light recording, while infrared night vision ensures visibility in total darkness. It supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, making it ideal for commercial drivers or anyone who needs continuous recording. Voice control lets you operate it safely while driving, and GPS tracks all routes accurately. This is one of the most feature-rich 4-channel dashcams available. StarVis 2 sensors, IR night vision, 2.7K front plus 1080p multiplied by 2 plus 1440p inside, 360-degree Wi-Fi coverage, voice control, GPS tracking, supports up to 1 terabyte memory, 24-hour parking mode.
Pros: complete 360-degree coverage with 4 channels. StarVis 2 sensors for excellent night vision. Voice control and GPS included. Supports massive 1 terabyte memory. Number 10. Rove R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. The Rove R2 4K Dual Pro combines high-end sensors with fast Wi-Fi transfer. The front 4K and rear 2K cameras deliver crisp footage in all conditions, including night, thanks to StarVis sensors. It comes with a CPL filter to reduce glare, and Wi-Fi 6 ensures quick video downloads. 128 GB storage is included, and parking mode keeps your car safe while unattended. Overall, it's a premium dual-camera dashcam for anyone serious about quality and convenience. Pros: true 4K plus 2K recording, StarVis sensors for excellent low-light performance, CPL filter for glare reduction, Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers, parking mode included. So there you have it, our complete roundup of the top 10 best dashcams front and rear for 2025. From premium options like the 70mm A229 and Pelsee P1 Pro, which offers stunning 4K recording and advanced safety features, to versatile multi-camera systems like the Vantrue N5S and COOAU D30S. There's something for every driver, whether you want ultimate coverage, reliable night vision, or hands-free convenience. If you're looking for a balance of price and performance, models like the REDTIGER F7N and Botslab 4K provide solid video quality, wide-angle lenses, and essential safety features without breaking the bank. Remember, the most important factors when choosing a dashcam are video quality, night vision capability, GPS tracking, storage capacity, and, if needed, multi-camera coverage for inside the car. All the links to these dashcams are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and specs. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which dashcam you'd choose for your car. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.